guys, sorry for cutting the last video short. It was because there was this random guy who was sitting over there. Um, yeah, see that? Yeah, he was looking at me weird because I was filming about the last video. That's why I was like turning my head to the left a lot. Just because he was like looking at me weird, thinking I was talking to a random person, or just talking to my phone in general. But yeah, he was like a weird guy. I'm not gonna say his race, because some of you might get offended. Yeah, random guy, looking at me weird. No. So as I was somewhat saying last video, hopefully I can remember. Yo, pretty sure some of y'all are having rain issues. Some of you aren't. Here we go. Yeah, some of you are having like rain issues or not, heat issues. I mean, sorry for stopping. I didn't want just two people that walked by. I didn't want to do the same thing as that one guy that I was doing. So yeah, I don't like rain whatsoever, and as of right now, I'm looking for a job, so that's why I'm out complaining about the rain and all. So there's that.